Welcome to Hello English Teacher. Today let's look at the MCQs from the chapter A Letter to God from Class 10 English. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe. You can listen to the explanations of chapters from classes 10, 11 and 12 English. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. Let's move on to the video now. A Letter to God is written by G.L. Fuentes. So, let us look at some of the possible MCQs from this chapter, because our new pattern of question paper has a lot of MCQs. So, let us look at the MCQs one by one from each lesson. So, this is the first chapter, A Letter to God. First question is, who is the author of this chapter, A Letter to God? And the answer we know is G.L. Fuentes. So, question number 2. Lencho was expecting a rain because, so why was he expecting a rain? Was it because he was confident of huge harvest, or needed water for home use, or wanted to make a lake, or wanted the surrounding to be cool? So, the answer is he was confident of a huge harvest. So, let us look at question number 3. The rain turned into a disappointment because it rained continuously for an hour, it rained for a few minutes only, it turned into hailstones, the clouds were blown away by wind. So, why did the rain turn into a disappointment? Because it turned into hailstones. So, question number 4. What did Lencho call the raindrops? Did he call it as hailstones, water from heaven, water, or new silver coins? So, the answer is new silver coins. So, question number 5. The only thing that Lencho had faith was his hard work, his family, God and money. So, the answer is God. He had only faith in God. So, question number 6. How did Lencho seek help? Did he ask money from his friends, or did he write a letter to God, or did he ask his wife to help, or did he ask the post office people? So, the answer is he wrote a letter to God asking for help. So, question number 7. How much money did Lencho ask God? Was it 100 pesos, 200 pesos, 70 pesos or 30 pesos? So, the answer is 100 pesos. So, question number 8. What did the hailstones look like? So, did they look like stones, money, frozen pearls or pesos? So, the hailstones looked like frozen pearls. So, question number 9. What kind of person was the postmaster? Was he grumpy, amiable, jealous or introverted? So, the answer is he was an amiable person. That means he was friendly. So, question number 10. The postmaster replied to Lencho as God because he wanted to help Lencho, he wanted to fool Lencho, he wanted to cheat Lencho. Sorry, this is a spelling mistake. It is he wanted to cheat Lencho, and next one is he wanted to preserve Lencho's faith in God. So, the answer is he wanted to preserve Lencho's faith in God. That is why he replied to Lencho as God. So, question number 11. How did Lencho get the money? The postmaster gave him, the postmaster and his colleagues gave him, God gave him, or somebody gave him. So, we know that it is the postmaster and his colleagues who collected the money and gave him. So, B is the answer. Question number 12. What was Lencho's reaction when he saw the money? He was angry, he was sad, he was happy, or he was excited? The answer is angry. He was angry because he had asked for 100 pesos, but when the money came, it was only 70 pesos. So, he was angry. So, let us look at the next question. Question number 13. How did Lencho react when he saw the reply? He was happy, he was excited, he was surprised, and he was having no emotional change. So, he saw the reply from God, and the answer is he did not show any change in his emotions because he was so sure that God would reply to him. So, the answer is D, no emotion change. Question number 14. How many times did Lencho write to God? So, once, twice, thrice or 4 times. So, he wrote twice, first for asking help, second for telling him that he did not get the full amount that he had asked for, and to send him the money not by the post office because he thought that these people would rob his money. So, question number 15. What did Lencho call the employees of the post office? Friends, thieves, a bunch of crooks, or cheats? He called them a bunch of crooks. So, here is the last question. What kind of person is Lencho? Was he naive and unquestioning? Was he foolish, hardworking and selfish, or a lazy farmer? So, he was naive and unquestioning. That means he was somebody who was very simple, who did not have a lot of experience in life. He believed everybody, and he was kind of an unsophisticated person. So, answer is A. So, I hope you liked today's video. For more informative videos, do subscribe to Hello English Teacher, like, share and give your valuable comments below. Thank you for watching.